a quick demo. I'm going to show you guys how to make the Enfagrow Toddler Nutritional Drink. So if you're interested in knowing how to do this, stay tuned. So guys, if you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe right now to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Alright guys, so let's get to it. So guys, basically Enfagrow is the next step of the formula. So when your doctor is going to tell you that your baby is going to have to start drinking whole milk, that's when you can start buying the Enfagrow nutritional drink. Now, the reason why I am giving this to my daughter instead of whole milk is because I have tried to give my baby whole milk and it did not work. A lot of people suggested me to give her almond milk, unsweetened, original, rice milk, other types of milks. I did a little bit of my own research and I found the Enfagrow online. So that's where I was like, let me try this first and see if she likes this, and if she doesn't, then I would try like other types of milks, like the ones I just told you. But basically that's what I personally chose to want to give to my daughter. So I'm going to show you guys how it works. If you haven't seen the other video that I posted on how to make an Enfamil baby formula bottle, go check it out right now. So guys, the first step is obviously to wash your hands. Make sure that your hands are clean before you touch anything. So guys, the second step would be to put water in your bottle, your sippy cup, whatever. Basically, my machine has a button where it says formula milk, so I'm gonna use that water, but you can use any bottled water that you would like to. We are going to only put 6 ounces. So now we have our 6 ounces of water. So I have my Dr. Brown's bottle warmer. So I'm just gonna warm this bottle in the Dr. Brown's bottle warmer because Giselle's sippy cup is actually a different brand and I don't have the top for this to put it in the bottle warmer. So I'm gonna put it in this bottle and then I'm gonna transition the drink in here. Because like the pediatrician said, we had to change the bottle to a sippy cup, and this is a sippy cup that I found on Amazon. So if you're interested in purchasing it, I will also link it down in the description. And if you're also interested in Dr. Brown's bottle warmer, I can also link this down in the description as well. I'm gonna warm the bottle up for 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Alright guys, so the timer went off. So now I'm just gonna take the water off that's around it from the steam. And now the next step is to put your scoops. So for the Enfagrow, you only want to put 3 scoops in 6 ounces of fluids. That will be 1 serving. So we're gonna do this right now. Once that's done, I shake it well. And there you go. So now we are going to put this in the sippy cup bottle. So now it is warm and it's ready to serve to your toddler. So yeah guys, it was a quick video. I just wanted to share with you guys. It's super easy. That was the way that I do my bottle. So if you have your own ways, then I'm sure that's totally fine. But I just wanted to share you guys how I do it and how I think it's easier for me to do. Now you can also serve your milk cold to your child if they like it like that. But I know that my daughter likes her bottle warm. Unless it's really hot outside, then she would drink it cold. But other than that, she likes hers warm. So that's why I do it that way. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also comment down below if you have any other questions. And don't forget guys to subscribe to my channel. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye!